Amazing all-terrain vehicles that you haven't seen yet. Unveil the unseen world of off-road adventure with these remarkable all-terrain vehicles. From electric ATVs to groundbreaking track carriers, these machines are reshaping the future of exploration. Are you prepared to dive into the extraordinary realm of off-road innovation? Which vehicle are you most eager to discover? 1. Can-Am Maverick X3. This side-by-side vehicle is engineered to deliver unparalleled performance and traction, making it the ultimate choice for adrenaline-fueled escapades. Are you ready to discover the thrill of off-road exploration like never before? Dive into the world of the Maverick X3 and prepare for an unforgettable ride. Which feature of this powerhouse vehicle captures your imagination? 2. BMW Dune Taxi, an all-electric desert racer that's turning heads in the automotive industry. This vehicle, intriguingly named the Dune Taxi by BMW, is a purpose-built desert racer. Did you know that the body of the Dune Taxi is made from a material called NFRP, natural fiber reinforced polymer? This makes it strong and lightweight. And it's powered by dual electric motors that produce a whopping 400 kilowatts. Imagine the power of this machine. This isn't just any beach buggy. The Dune Taxi showcases BMW's innovative spirit by bringing advanced technology to the desert. It features gull-wing doors, LED lights, and a design inspired by supercars. 3. Mahindra Thar E. Have you ever imagined an electric SUV that combines rugged off-road capabilities with modern technology? Get ready, because Mahindra is planning the release of the Thar E, an electric version of their well-known Thar model. The Mahindra Thar E is expected to launch in India by 2026, with a starting price of around $30,000. It will feature a dual electric motor setup with all-wheel drive. Powered by a 75-kilowatt battery pack. The Thar E will retain the tough off-road character of the original Thar, but with some visual upgrades. Think new grille, LED lights, and a large touchscreen infotainment system. 4. Shaman 8-Wheel. Meet the Shaman 8-Wheel, an extraordinary all-terrain vehicle designed by Avtoros. This innovative machine is built to handle the most challenging landscapes with ease. The Shaman 8x8 boasts 8-wheel drive with low-pressure tires, allowing it to navigate a variety of rough terrains effortlessly. Each wheel has an independent suspension system, ensuring a smooth ride even on the bumpiest paths. Made from a strong steel sheet, the Shaman 8x8 is both durable and reliable. This vehicle is a marvel of engineering and a game-changer in the world of all-terrain vehicles. 5. Sherp UTV. Have you ever seen a vehicle that can travel effortlessly over water, mud, snow, and ice? Meet the Sherp UTV, an all-terrain vehicle that can conquer almost any surface. What makes the Sherp UTV so versatile and powerful? Equipped with 4 large low-pressure tires, the Sherp UTV provides excellent flotation and traction, allowing it to scale heights of up to 70 centimeters. It can reach a top speed of 6 kilometers per hour on water and 45 kilometers per hour on land. Six. Hammock ATV. Powered by a 150cc motor, the Hammock ATV can reach speeds of up to 43 kilometers per hour, though it's recommended to keep it around 20 kilometers per hour for safety. Unlike typical ATVs, it doesn't have a steering system. Instead, the rider shifts their body weight or plants their foot to turn. Inspired by the mobility and agility of a hamster, this vehicle is both compact and efficient. Despite weighing 85 kilograms, it's small enough to fit in the trunk of a car, offering outstanding off-road capability in a straightforward and compact design. 7. Glickenhaus Boot. The Glickenhaus boot is a purpose-built machine, sharing its DNA with Glickenhaus's racing prototypes. It comes in two body styles, a sleek, shorter two-seater with a rakish profile and a longer four-seater featuring practical rear suicide doors. Imagine taking this powerful, stylish machine on an off-road adventure. How do you think the Glickenhaus boot's combination of racing heritage and street legality transforms the off-roading experience? 8. RJ Tech Steinadler, the future of off-roading. Have you ever imagined an all-terrain vehicle that's not only electric but also promises to redefine off-road adventures? The RJ Tech Steinadler is powered by an electric motor, making it eco-friendly and potentially quieter than traditional gasoline-powered ATVs. 9. Ripsaw EV2, a powerhouse vehicle designed for adventure seekers. With a Duramax diesel engine pumping out 600 horsepower, gull-wing doors, and optional features like crowd control bombs, it's the pinnacle of off-road luxury. How do you envision conquering the toughest terrains with the Ripsaw EV2? Would you dare to take on the challenge? Terrain Hopper, an innovative off-road mobility vehicle designed for those with mobility issues. Powered by electricity, this compact vehicle can traverse a wide range of surfaces, from thick mud to sandy beaches and steep slopes. With 35 degrees of climbing capacity and 10 inches of ground clearance, the Terrain Hopper delivers impressive performance. 11. Tinger Proto, redefining off-road adventure. Get ready for the ultimate off-road experience with the Tinger Proto 2023. Join us as we showcase the Tinger Proto 2023 in action, dominating the trails with its incredible power and agility. Are you ready to be a part of this exciting journey? 12. Voyager Defense D12, your ultimate track carrier. Introducing the Voyager Defense D12, a military-grade track carrier built for tough missions. With powerful electronic traction motors and modular rear car, it's ready for action as a command center, ambulance, or rescue unit. Seating for 12 passengers and a range of 185 miles off-road. Are you ready for the ultimate off-road adventure? Explore the future of off-road adventure with these incredible all-terrain vehicles that are yet to hit the mainstream market. From electric ATVs to revolutionary track carriers, these machines are redefining exploration. Don't miss out on the latest updates and reviews of these innovative vehicles. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Get ready to take your outdoor experiences to new heights. Which of these groundbreaking vehicles will you choose for your next adventure? Subscribe now and stay tuned for more exciting content.